Today, I'm going to share one of my favorite party or big game day appetizer recipes with you. It is super easy and you're going to love it. Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everybody. My name is Mike. As always, thank you so much for being here with me today. Now, don't forget to follow us here by hitting that button down there so you don't miss out on all the new video releases. And never fear, I'll have all the recipe details down in the video description. Now, with all that out of the way, let's get started. We're going to start with a small baking dish with about 16 ounces of refried beans. We are now going to add 1 cup of tomatoes and chilies, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon of cumin. Now we'll kick it up with some El Yucateco Red, about 1 ounce. You can always add more if you like. Now just grab a utensil and mix that all together well. Once everything is combined, we're going to get this into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. We want all of those flavors to melt and come together. Then remove it from the oven, give it another good mix, and transfer that to a serving dish. Now keep in mind you can also put this in a slow cooker if you'd like to serve it warm throughout the day. Now we will garnish this with some cheddar cheese and freshly chopped green onion for some color and texture. And here we go. This smells so good. Cheers, everyone. Appetizers don't come a whole lot better than this. This is creamy, smooth, delicious, and a ton of added flavor with a little kick from the El Yucateco Red. Okay, that's it for this one. Don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor, and I'll see you on the next video.